annual paddy cultivation here on the land. You can see we have around 12-13 people that came from our neighborhood in the community. So the culture here is that whenever we have major seasonal works, we still practice shared labor practices here. You can see the ladies are still transplanting the seedlings. And the man is plowing and we are preparing the soil. And my job today is to make the burns like this and keep the water level afloat so that the seedlings remain alive for next couple of days until it starts rooting itself. You can see that's beautiful, guys. Working the land has always been so much fun and it's pretty much healing for everyone. You can see this guy here, my brother-in-law. He's a classic singer.
Could you away? Yeah. Could you never? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I can show and run down a little bit of here so you can have a grasp of it. Welcome to join me, guys. So once upon a time when I was showing my field from here, you can see they were full of greens and vegetables. And this time around when it's monsoon, you can see that it's reflecting and shining. All over the terraces were filled with rice. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Woo! That's the tree house. So when the rice are big and every night we have to go to sleep there. Oh, that one. And it's a lot of fun, you know. Yeah. We used to have around few tree houses here in the field. And some of you are welcome to have adventure. Maybe stay for a few nights and experience it.